This is my review of the Xiaomi Wiha co-branded 24-piece screwdriver set, precision screwdriver set, sorry. I previously used the Wiha System 6 and System 4 and I was very impressed with them. So when I spotted this on Banggood, I thought it was worth a try. Have a look. If you're not familiar, Wiha is one of the world's leading hand tool manufacturers, and Xiaomi is your Chinese smartphone manufacturer. I suppose what caught my eye was the fact that this has won a Red Dot Design Award. So this precision screwdriver set comes in a sturdy aluminium container. It's got 24 bits apparently. Everything from Phillips head, Torx, hex, your tri-bits. Also has the pentalobe, the funny Apple one. So it's actually about the size of a power brick that you might use to charge up your mobile phone. Alright, so to remove the screwdriver, it's got this nifty little push in. There it is. The screwdriver handle is completely out of aluminium with a pivot on top. And there's all your bits. Okay, let's take one of the bits out and have a look. Looks like these are magnetic too. So they basically just sit in there, magnet holds it in.